In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create curved text in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, go over to the Effects tab over here and select Titles. Come over here and search for Text Plus and drag the Text Plus to your timeline over here. Select it and go over to Inspector over here and change the text to whatever you want it to say. I'm going to write curved. Next, come over to the font property and choose a font style you prefer and choose a color you prefer, and you can increase the font size to your liking. Next, go over to the Layer tab over here and change the type to circle. You can adjust the width to your liking. If you reduce the value for width, it's going to be really curved, but if you increase the value over here, you're going to reduce the angle of curvature. You can also use this size over here to adjust the size of your text. I think I'm going to go back to text over here and change my font type. I'm not sure I like this font type. Now if I go back to layout over here, you can adjust the perspective. You can adjust the X, the Y, and the Z properties to your liking. And that's it guys on how to create curved text in DaVinci Resolve.